Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDT from Stormgain in 2025. If you're holding USDT on Stormgain and you're ready to move it to your personal wallet or exchange, this guide is perfect for you. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a stable option in the volatile crypto world. Stormgain is a popular platform for trading and managing cryptocurrencies, and withdrawing your funds is straightforward if you follow the right steps. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Stormgain account. If you haven't already, download the Stormgain app or head to their website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see all your assets, including your USDT balance. Click on USDT to select it. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send button. This might be under a drop-down menu or a dedicated tab. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this address because mistakes can lead to lost funds. Always verify it from a trusted source. Then, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on any withdrawal fees. Stormgain might charge a small network fee, so make sure your amount covers that. Before you proceed, Stormgain will likely require two-factor authentication, 2FA, for security. If you have it set up, enter the code from your authenticator app. Review all the details on the confirmation page, address, amount, and fees, then hit Confirm. Your withdrawal request will be processed, and depending on the blockchain network, it could take a few minutes to an hour or more. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your USDT from Stormgain. Remember, always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for storage and staying updated with the latest platform changes in 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you in the next one.